And I know I haven't been posting for a long time, but we're gonna go to Target and to see if we can get a toy. Yes, come along. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can find at Target. I got myself a car, and now we're gonna go to the toy aisle. Cute, and this one, but I can't decide, so I'm not gonna pick either of those.
Oh my God. Yeah, obviously. I'm sure we could get, but we can keep our eyes out for other dollars.
You wanted to say something about this that you are pulling out? What exactly are we feeling?
I think that I want to get this.
Why do you want to get this?
Because it reminds me of spa days.
But Naya, like, this is like for babies. You have to get a baby that is going to sit in it. This is like a chair. And then the person have to do pedicure and this kind of stuff. There's nothing you can do. All these things are for toys. For toy. You get it?
Okay.
You want to go to the next aisle to see what is there too? Okay, let's go there.
So now we're in a different aisle. The Barbie aisle. And there's lots of toys here. And clothes. So we're in a different aisle. Like this aisle with lots of monster hidings and mini things. So you're just like gonna look for anything that'll catch my eye.
What is this? I don't know.
And what is that?
Barbie reveal. We didn't get what we want at Target, so we're gonna go to a different store. So now we are at Kohl's to find a new toy because at Target we couldn't find what we were supposed to find.
We can go around it and see. Okay, let's go back in. Oh, you see. You seen anything yet?
So do we have to get like a baby doll?
Yeah, anything. Let's see. We'll think about it. If it's good, then we just go for it. Okay? Let's go that way.
This way?
Mm-hmm.
Like, we can get like these. We found the toy, but we're gonna put it back as an option. Bro. You guys, check it out.
Take it and let's see. What is that?
What is this? What is this? Bro, what is this? Okay. Oh. I am definitely not doing this. It's very unfamiliar and unmindful, just like Christian. What's this? Hello Kitty and Friends. First of all, I only watch Hello Kitty and Friends. And second of all, I already have Hello Kitty stuff.
Okay.
Wait, what is this? What? Yeah, no. Scooby. But no. What are these? Yep, no. Wait, what's this one?
For seeing? What's going on in your mind, girl? And what is that for?
We're taking the Sophia.
Can you then show it to your friends? Let them know the reason why you want that. Let them know the reason why you want it.
I don't know. I just like it.
You sure?
Yes.
There's no something special? Really? Alright, we got it. So you got to start getting to the checkout and go check out, okay? So you can go home from there. Alright, so you want to say something to your friends before?
Guys, so now we're toy. So now
Can I
we're
have a
gonna-
look at it? Can it? Let me see. Oh, okay.
So now we're gonna unbox it. I'm tired. Yep. We must get her out of this. It was just I can't believe I took that whole entire thing out. Bro, they taped it. We finally got her out, and I don't know what are these. But yeah.
You happy? So what do you tell your friends?
I don't know.
Tell them something. Maybe you like it look pretty. You like their hair, the dress.
One thing about me that my favorite color is actually blue.
Why blue? I thought the ladies like pink.
Girls can like blue too, Dad.
Really?
And pink and white and blue
Okay.
and black.
So are we done with your unboxing?
Yes.
Okay. So you tell your friends what? That thank them for watching and they shouldn't forget
Thank
to
you for watching
Yeah.
and and subscribe, like, and follow me.
Great. That's awesome. Alright, say bye.
Bye everyone.